Hey, welcome to the show. If you are looking for replacement marbles, maybe you have a Hungry Hippo game, this is the perfect product for you. This has 63 marbles in it. 57 of them are red and 6 are yellow. Look at that. A lot of them in here. A couple of them even fell on the floor. So a lot of people are using these for Hungry Hippo. This is what you're going to get. They said they work perfect for them. With the game right there. Nice bright colors. Really cool. Rolling around like that. Perfect size. Like I said, some of them are going on the floor right there, but you get the idea. But a lot of people are really happy. Check out the comments in this product right here because this is what they're using it for, is game replacement, and if you have the game Hungry Hippo. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I sure appreciate it if you hit that like button, and have a beautiful day. Adios. Goodbye.